Hello everybody, my name is Dr. John Oda. As you guys know, I did my series of the 8 devastating mistakes all medical practice in the hidden millions out there losing. A couple of days ago, I did something on high ticket sales in medical practices. This client was selling deals between $20,000 to $40,000. This weekend on LinkedIn, I got a lot of messages. I'm gonna do one. A person wanted to know is, how do I get the proper mindset in daily practice? Let's do daily practice. For every step of a sale, there's 8 steps to a sale. Now, being you a master trainer in NLP, I go over this like a fine-tooth comb. So, the first step is mindset and rapport. That's 40% of a deal. Then you find the needs, then the value, then the desire, then the objection, then asking for the deal, and then follow up. Daily practice. You practice the skill set. You practice your rapport building skills. How to figure out their visual, audio, or kinesthetic, if they're moving toward the deal or away from the deal. As you figure out their buying strategy, as you figure out a lot of different things from them, why you practice this. When? Each and every day. You focus on your mindset, on the needs, on the value, on the desire. So if you practice all these 8 things and get 10% better, you actually persuade more people and close more deals. Working with the client right now, she was, for every 1 deal, she closed, she was like 1 of 4. And so she's doing 25%. So she was not really doing the greatest, but she was doing, I guess, well enough. I've been working with her for a month. She's at 75% close rate. And her sales are just off the hook. She was doing, 3 months, did like 72,000. Her month with me, she did was over $88,000 in business. Of course, the boss is excited. And of course, so am I too, because she worked her butt off. And how did she do this? And I told him, daily practice. Now, mindset. Have you guys ever played like sports? Like maybe, basketball or maybe like, football, martial arts, whatever, right? It's all about mindset. So now, when you do sports, what do you do every day? Daily practice. You practice your craft each and every day. So when you're on the field, you have the mindset of that you can win. You can do whatever it takes. But of course, when I used to play basketball, I used to get pumped up and excited. I was being a completely peak state, and I would actually kick some butt, right? The same thing when it comes to business, especially when it comes to actually sales. If you're not inside that mindset of that, like, this guy is going to buy or else X, Y, and Z, it's not going to happen, because you have to have the proper mindset. Because once you have that proper mindset, everything actually follows through it. But again, though, what you need, though, is daily practice. So guys, I'm going to read another one for actually tomorrow. I'm pretty much excited about this one. Until the next time, take care, and always God bless you. Bye for now.